And then pretty much, Spooker,
I
I
went to
had
piss.
I had no inkling that anything was going on. Spooker was like, "Oh, I'm gonna go toilet," and then as he was gone, the they now know that I act, and they were like, "Oh, how much did you get paid?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm pretty PR trained, so you can give me two numbers, and I'll say higher or lower." And they were like, 2,000 higher, 4,000 higher, and they were like, "Oh, please one more guess, please one more guess." And I was like, "Fine." They were like, 25. I was like, "You're getting closer." And then Spooker came back, and then we kind of went to talking. They exchanged Instagrams, which I'm pretty sure you gave like a fake one, right?
No.
Not your main?
No. Yes.
Not your main?
Yes.
Not your main.
I did give my main.
Oh.
But I can block people.
Yeah, you can. But
I can block Angel.
pretty
I
much
won't block Anya.
this guy, we exchanged ages and stuff. She's on the stream now. Yikes. This guy, he was like, we were telling each other how old we were. The girl was 18. I'm 19. Speaker's 23. 24. 24. And then
They
this
didn't
guy,
even ask me. I didn't even say my age there.
and this guy's like, "Oh yeah, I'm 20." By the way, his hairline, bro, it's like the fucking North Pole. It's on his it's on the top of his head, and he looks old. So I was kind of like, "No way. There's no way you're 20." But he was like adamant that he was 20. He was being really friendly to me. To me, acted a bit gay to me.
Right.
But anyway, and then they invited us to go clubbing.
Shout out Alcatraz.
Which obviously we didn't. Obviously we didn't do because we're here.
There's a part where this guy was speaking Croatian to me. I'll tell that later.
Yeah, and it's it's like of course different languages. In my mind, I was kind of thinking, I do not want to go clubbing with these guys. The girl, maybe.
He put
but
all
this
the blame
guy,
on me. He was like,
no.
if he's going, I'm going.
Yeah, I was like, I'll go where he goes. He has the key home, He does. But at the same time, I was kind of thinking, yo, if we could separate these two, I'm down to go with the girl, cause she was low-key. Low-key?
This is the type of shit you...
Low-key? I'm down. But anyway, we decided to leave, and we kind of left at the same time. And Spooker, as we were leaving, he was like, walk faster. So we started walking fast. And he then got to telling me that that's in his words, scum of Croatia. Turns out he begged him for money. In Croatian. But anyway, this is where Spooker starts to talk, because it was all in Croatian.
Alright, so TLDR, everything Monpie said was true, but before I went to the toilet and I left Monpie alone, because my judgment was I can leave him alone now, the guy asks me, are you going to go draw? Like drawing, Translation, are you going to go snort something? I said, dear Mr. A. I name dropped already, but no. And then I just took a piss, I come back, and bro is legitimately asking, yeah. Do you think we can get a 20 off of him? You think we could get a 20? Like, this guy's rich. You know how big salaries they got? I'm like, Angel no. And he's like, yeah. You think we could get a 10? And I'm like, bro, no. Like, how don't you have money? I mean, I wanted to ask, does this guy work? Fucking straightforward in the head? Like, what the fuck? But yeah, scum of Croatia. They're just beggars. I mean, beggars. They drank all they could, and then they thought we're both foreigners. So I instantaneously responded in Croatia, and as soon as I did, he was like, "Oh fuck," in Croatian, because he wanted us to go out, that we pay for all of the drinks, and then they would probably leave. And Monpie fell in love with the girl.
And she was cute. And she was 18.
It's all you, homie. All you, homie. I got the Instagram if you want.
Shit, not on my main though. Not being connected to that.
Bro, but you went in with your main. Ryan was...
Yeah, but then my internet didn't work, and I was kind of thinking, I should not give this guy my main, so I then gave him
I should have gave Angelko.
I gave him my alt account, but then he didn't even add me.
I need to make a fucking fake 18 dot. What does that mean? Translate that.
18. I'm 19, bro. She's 18.
And this is why we have a backup.
Yeah, that's why you have an alt account.
But anyways, yeah, Monpie wants to talk about it. He doesn't register. He's not born in these streets. He doesn't know this type of shit. The thing is, I got scammed in my life a lot. I got scammed. You don't even know what type of scams I went through.
Yeah, me so. I'm 19.
So, I just wanted to see how far this goes. The thing is, we could have beat up the guy easily if it came down to that. If we went to the club, there was... You're not tough, bro. If we went to the club, there was probably backup and more people, but we didn't. Miso, I find you pretty attractive. I think you're cute.
Hey,
Anyways.
Is there a profile picture of her?
Huh?
Is there a profile picture of her?
No.